to continue growing, we know the most important thing is to look after your roots. Now that we have made a commitment to responsibility, now that we have advanced to the present, inventing the future, now that we have developed solutions for today's as well as tomorrow's challenges, now that we have learned the importance of continuing to learn, now that we offer you guaranteed success, now we are here and there and wish to go even further. With you, with everyone, with all the attention at every moment, always by your side. Now that we talk about dreams coming true, defcon, now. With you today and tomorrow.